Thank you. Good morning, Tejal Miss. Good morning, Neni Miss. Good morning to all the misses backstage, Pramila Miss, Shweta Miss, Ashru Miss, Reshma Miss, all the Didis, Alice Miss, and all the support staff. I've had the best introduction today. Really. I've been called Aradhya's mom. This is the best introduction I've had when I've been called on stage. And I thank you for it. The education is our very foundation. And we have always approached it with the broad term as we see it. That is, education equals aspiring to or amassing the kind of degrees we can throughout our life, which will lead us to whoever and whatever we professionally aspire to be and the careers we may choose. But we all recognize, and more so, I think once we become a parent, how important the very foundation of it is, the very beginning. And I stand here thanking my parents that there is no rule book that you pass down. Thank you very much. And it's a challenge for us to try and discover our own path in bringing up our kids. But we thank you for that very foundation that I'm referring to. It is unspoken, it is not defined, but it is there, ingrained and inculcated. And while we absolutely unconditionally enjoy that nurturing and that foundation in the haven of our parents' home, what we also recognize once we become parents is where we are sending our angels for the very first time. And we actually have our angels out, our children out of our comfort zone. There we take for granted comfort zone with us and have them go out into the world and start experiencing this gift of life in extremely able hands of guidance, spirits of guidance, and that sharing of our precious children with that very foundation that we're seeking is our first step. It gets very easily defined as play school, but it's not just a play zone. It is where our children are also going to become the people we are nurturing them to be. And they spend a large part of their time interacting with these angels of guidance who are going to continue the nurturing we start at home. And that really requires an immense amount of trust, faith, confidence, and you seek the compassion, you seek the understanding, you have your own little nervousness and trepidation if it's actually going to be the same as how you, the relationship you share with your child. And if your child is going to actually go out there and become the child you are dreaming him or her to be. And you work so carefully, so caringly. But to find that in a place and to feel that calm, to feel that you can exhale and actually see your child becoming that very person is a blessing. And I think a lot of us sitting out here can agree that we are currently enjoying that very calm, that very peace within when we entrust our children to you and yours. And that means a lot to us because our children are becoming the people we are nurturing them to be. And that really is a very blessed service that you do. And it's very, very important. It's most precious because before you, they only know us. And as they get to know you as their first step to what is the discipline of schooling, the discipline of education, the understanding of receiving that guidance from people who are not technically their parents, but they have to feel that same comfort. God, I'm getting emotional. But it means a lot. And in all sincerity and humility, we thank you. Because yes, of course, we read up. we find out, we speak around society to when we make our choices. And yes, we will look up on your credentials as much as you will on each of our bios. And it is heartening and very reassuring to recognize the education that you have amassed in neuroscience or brain development, Tejal, that you have actually taken the trouble to devise your own unique method of child development and education. And I remember when I was enrolling, you get asked, so is it Montessori or is it kindergarten? And I'm like, really? I'm not getting into the definition of it. I have spoken to her. I have gone to the school. I was very reassured and calmed by, well, we call it the vibe. We depend on our instincts. A lot of mothers, I'll speak as a mother, but I'm sure even fathers will agree that is something, it's just an inner voice, probably dating back to our very foundations, our basis of education, and how we have been nurtured to recognize where we will feel comforted and reassured. But that is something that I definitely felt when I came into your environment, your world. And it is a lovely jewel. It's a very calming vibe. The fact that you're as concerned about hygiene as any of us would be and more is a very, 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 very important factor. And I'm spelling it aloud because we as mothers know how particular we are. And at that very beginning, when we're sharing our child out there for even an hour as it builds to so many more hours, and to see your child come out happily, to see every kid greeted by name, by all the teachers standing outside. I think it's so joyous. It's wonderful that you all make our children so comfortable. Every kid is made to feel so precious. Every child is so comforted. And nothing can be more assuring than their smile. And we, as parents, know that smile. We know that twinkle in the eye. We know when there is an inner calm and happiness. And that is the best gift you could give to us. So my simple thank you to you and all the teachers and all the support staff, and God bless you on your blessed service. It really means a lot. Thank you.